No cheating.
Sorry.
For this hack, first, cut into an eraser. Write your formulas on a sheet to fit the cut you made and attach. You'll want a label to hide the cut. And we're done. No one will ever suspect this. You're not supposed to use calculators.
Sorry, Miss Amy.
Joyce, can you come solve these problems?
Oh, me? Okay. To solve these problems, first write the number you're multiplying. And then divide it by 2.
Wow, good job, Joyce. No makeup during class. Hand it over.
Fine.
Now get back to work.
Are you sure that's safe for your lips?
For this hack, you'll need a glue stick. Take the glue out and wash everything. Take your favorite lipstick and some coconut oil. Now, let them melt. Pour this into the glue stick. Refrigerate until it hardens and voila! It hides in plain sight.
Great, I could use this for my in-class essay. Max, you made me lose my page! I was supposed to study for my exam!
For this hack, just take the paperclip and then fold it inward.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute! Joyce, do you have a compass?
I don't have one. I just use paperclip.
For this hack, place the paperclip and hold it down with a pencil. Use the other end to draw your circle.
Wow, that looks easy.
Wait, where's my pencil?
Keep your stuff on your side.
For this hack, all you need is your notebook and some rubber bands. Stretch them over the cover and place your pens inside.
Sorry.
Hey, watch it!
Are you serious?
For this hack, empty out a Tic Tac container. Glue your sharpener to the top aligned with the opening. Ready to go.
Professor, this is from yesterday, but I was sick last week, and then I didn't. And here's the last one.
Thanks. How am I gonna grade all these papers? For this hack, start by hot gluing a laundry clip to a push pin. Now cut out some foam and label it. Glue your label to the clip and you're good to go. Now all your papers will be organized.
Much better.
This is so boring. I know. Now she can't use her mouse.
What is wrong with you? You should be doing your work.
I got you pretty good.